Good morning, Penny. Oh, those are good piglets. Look at them. How many are there? Are you done? Oh, don't lie on top of them, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Oh, they're very cute. Good job, Pensacola. Good job, little girl. I think there are 8. I'll let you go so they can eat, but they look like they've eaten once already. Those are pretty lively piglets. Oh, what beautiful babies. I'll go feed everyone else so they stay away from you, eh? Oh yes, you're making mommy noises. What a good pig. What a good pig. That orange one's pretty adventurous, eh? It's been running back and forth. Okay. 6 in the morning after a hard rainstorm. Because of course Penny would have her babies after a rainstorm. Which means they didn't get to sleep up in the back field last night. But they sorted it out. She's the only one in there, which is good. Some of us are still in bed, like you do. Wow, that's super exciting. I keep their food topped up so they don't have any reason to go in there and bug her. And we'll see how this goes.